Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at a must-have emergency tool for every vehicle, the NOCO Boost GB40 1000A UltraSafe Jump Starter. This compact device is designed to jumpstart dead car batteries quickly while also acting as a portable power bank and emergency tool. The GB40 delivers 1000 amps of peak power, which is strong enough to jumpstart most 12-volt vehicles with engines up to 6.0-liter gasoline or 3.0-liter diesel. That covers a wide range of vehicles including cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. Despite its power, the device is compact and lightweight at around 2.4 pounds, making it easy to store in your glove box, trunk, or emergency kit. It uses a lithium-ion battery with high discharge technology, giving you reliable starting power even in tough conditions. Safety is a big focus here. The GB40 includes UltraSafe technology with spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, meaning you don't have to worry about sparks or incorrect connections when attaching the clamps. It's not just a jump starter either. The device also works as a portable USB power bank, allowing you to recharge phones, tablets, or other small electronics while you're on the road. Another useful feature is the built-in 100-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes, including SOS and emergency strobe. This is extremely helpful for roadside repairs or emergencies at night. The unit is also rugged and weather-resistant with an IP65 rating, meaning it can handle dust, splashes, and rough use during travel or outdoor situations. Overall, the NOCO Boost GB40 1000A UltraSafe Jump Starter is a compact yet powerful jump starter that combines emergency battery boosting, portable charging, and safety features into one reliable device every driver should keep in their car. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.